Now, LiveGood is one of the best online business opportunities out there right now. A lot of people are making money with LiveGood, and there is no reason why you can't be one of them. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you the only training that you really need to be successful in LiveGood. Now, I will be the first to tell you that if you search on YouTube and Facebook, there are tons of video and content out there talking about LiveGood training and strategies and how to make this amount of money, how to do this and that. And that's all fine. Even when you join my team, I actually send you a schedule of webinars that you can attend whenever you can to get extra training. But honestly, a lot of this stuff, people overcomplicate it. LiveGood is very straightforward and simple. So the first thing you need to do, obviously, is become a LiveGood affiliate. All right. Now, all you got to do to become an affiliate is after you take your LiveGood tour, you get emails and they give you the opportunity to upgrade to become an affiliate and a member. So to do it, all you're going to do is pay $49.95. $40 is a one-time fee to become an affiliate, and then it's only $9.95 a month. So the $9.95 is your LiveGood monthly membership fee. Now, this is the only fee that you have to pay to be a LiveGood member. That's it. $10 a month. That's it. All right. Keep that in mind. So when you are a LiveGood affiliate, you're going to have a back office. And on the left-hand side, you're going to see all these different options, blah, 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 blah. You want to click on where it says My Websites. All right. Once you click on that, you're going to see a list of different websites that you can promote. Each website has your own affiliate link attached to it. All right. So you just want to copy and paste the link that you want to promote. Now, in most cases, I would say 90% of LiveGood affiliates, they promote the LiveGood tour page. So you scroll down on that page until where it says LiveGood tour page. You copy that link. Right? You put it wherever you want, put it in your notes or your documents, whatever. That's your link. That is your key to success. That LiveGood tour page link, that's your baby. All right? That's your ticket to financial freedom. All right? So now you got your link, right? You ready to rock and roll. Now you need to figure out how to get that link in front of people. Now you want to get this link in front of as many people as you can. All right. So you got to ask yourself, all right, like, what do I feel comfortable doing? What can I do on a regular basis to get my tour link in front of people? All right. Now keep in mind, everybody's different. All right. Like me, I'm a internet guy, right? I'm a YouTube guy. So I put out a lot of YouTube content. There's some people in LiveGood who's making a ton of money and all they use is Facebook. You know what I'm saying? I do a little bit of Facebook marketing, but whatever. My main thing is YouTube. All right. So you have to decide, all right, how do you want to promote? All right. So it could be YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, whatever. And do not forget offline marketing. There are some people who like, yo, I would do LiveGood, but I ain't really a computer savvy. Damn all that. You don't got to be computer savvy. All right. I actually just ordered me some flyers that I designed myself. You know what I'm saying? I got them coming because I'm going to do some offline marketing. So keep that in mind. Maybe your thing is offline marketing. So figure out how you're going to promote your LiveGood business. All right. Now, once you do that, you need to take action, period. All right, like that's it. So if you are doing the YouTube thing, what you need to do is have a schedule. Sit there and say, all right, every week I'm gonna put out 2 YouTube videos talking about this opportunity, whether it be product reviews, whether it be company updates, whether it be your journey with LiveGood, whatever it is, right? If it's gonna be 2 videos a week, then do 2 videos a week. And make sure every video that you do, you have a call to action, whether it be at the beginning, middle, and end of all of your videos. Hey guys, make sure you be here to check out LiveGood or take the LiveGood tour, or if you want to join my LiveGood team, whatever it is, just do it. You know what I'm saying? Do it. Now, if you can, put out more videos than 2 or 3, whatever, great, do it. But you want to be consistent right? You want to be consistent in your marketing. So if you decide, hey, you know what? Damn online stuff, I want to promote LiveGood offline. Great. You know what I'm saying? So what you want to do is have a schedule. First of all, get you some marketing material, whether it be flyers. They have a website that I can point you to that they have pre-made LiveGood flyers. I personally created my own, and if you join my team, I can give you access to that, and I can cater it for you and put the QR codes on for you. I really like the flyers that I did, you know what I'm saying? Pat on the back, but whatever, right? Get your marketing material, right? I suggest flyers. You can even get the full page flyers as well, and this is good for like posting on bulletin boards and things like that. But like I say, if you're doing offline marketing, come up with your strategy. Hey, every weekend or every Tuesday, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna get flyers out there. I'm gonna put them in local businesses. I'm gonna hang them on bulletin boards, or I'm gonna, you know, whatever your strategy is, do it, right? Maybe you want to attend vendor events. A lot of people are doing vendor events, repping LiveGood. Once a month, I'm gonna do a vendor event. And then on the other weekends, I'm gonna just go hand out flyers or pass out flyers, whatever you decide to do, but have a strategy. That's it, right? Like, it's people make it like so complicated, and I guess you can make it complicated, but ultimately you're just putting this opportunity in front of as many people as you can. Because when somebody takes the LiveGood tour and just put their name and email in, LiveGood is going to email them pretty much every day, giving that person the opportunity to become an affiliate and start earning money themselves, right? So basically, you're just trying to get people to take that LiveGood tour. That is your job. All right. So all these different trainings and strategies and this and that, like, that's cool, but like, you got to simplify it, right? Because a lot of times people get turned off with when they see stuff that's too complicated. Bottom line is, become an affiliate, get your tour link, and promote the hell out of it. And if you decide to get flyers, make sure you put your URL name right on your flyer. I always suggest putting a QR code on there because that's what I put on my flyers, right? And get them out there. If you're doing social media, do not be afraid to talk about it on your Facebook page. Do not be afraid to put out YouTube videos, YouTube shorts, Facebook Reels, whatever, because ultimately you're just driving traffic to your tour page. That's it. And why it's all about just getting as many eyeballs as you can to your LiveGood tour page, because it appeals to the masses, right? Think about it. LiveGood appeals to most people because most people are always looking to earn some extra money. And a lot of people are into the health and wellness industry. Everybody want to be healthier. Everybody want to look better. So that's the best of both worlds with the LiveGood opportunity. So all you got to do is put this opportunity in front of people. That's what you need to do, right? And you could attend and, all these webinars and things and talk about leads and capture pages and follow-up emails and scripts, what to tell people. What to tell people is, hey, check this out. Great opportunity. You know what I mean? Put it in front of people. That's what you need to do. It's that simple, right? And if you order 250 flyers and you get rid of them, pass them out, order 250 more. Keep it going. You know what I'm saying? LiveGood is a real opportunity, but if you want to be successful, you have to work the opportunity. You have to be consistent and you have to stay in it. Treat it like a real business. If you opened up your own offline business, you opened up your own bakery somewhere, you're not going to quit after 4 months, right? Most likely, you're going to do everything in your power not to quit, right? Not to shut down your business. So treat LiveGood like that, and you're well on your way to success. So if you haven't joined LiveGood yet, you can do so right now by clicking that first link in the description, and I will see you on the team.